Let's go over to the bearish Elliott wave count. So the bearish one is actually a lot more busy, because that is one that I can actually make work. Let's start off with these two rectangles. You can see that we have been range bound for a few years now, ever since the 2021 top. So we have had this top, we have found our bottom here as a retest of the last major high, and then we have retested the range high here, and maybe we are going back to the range lows. Could be. It is a range. There's no way around interpreting this as anything else than a range. If we now activate all of this, I can show you on a high time frame, again the weekly, that this is our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, also for our major high time frame 1, even though I have not put this on the chart here. And right now, after this could be a very, very complex, very long high time frame corrective structure. So we start off with a zigzag. So we have an A, B, C. And then within the C wave here, we have an A, B, C, D, E, giving us our low. This first zigzag would be our W for a complex WXY correction. After the W, we have an X wave, basically a corrective 3-move upwards for our X. And then after the X, we need another complex corrective structure, which is usually in the form of an ABCDE triangle for our Y. And you can see that this upward channel here is now basically on the lower end here. Price is on the lower end of this channel. We might already have seen an A and a B, and now we are basically waiting for our C, then the D, and then the E. And from a timing perspective, usually the the Y ends when the E wave ends. And the E wave is usually, it doesn't reach the bottom of the triangle. It sort of stays here at the midpoint. And from a timing perspective, it doesn't go to the apex point here of the triangle. So it rather stays 70-80% within the triangle towards, so 70-80% of the time that the triangle would need to complete fully. That is when the E wave will end. So that gives basically a time frame of end of 26, beginning basically turning of the year 26, 27. And that also makes a lot of sense, because my base case for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin's 4-year cycle low is due in 26, at the end of 26. So I believe that Total2 for crypto is actually still in a high time frame complex corrective structure. And that would imply that